Hey guys, how's it going? Hasib here and hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to discuss the new SaaS upgrades by GoHighLevel on Level Up Day. So if you don't know it already, GoHighLevel had the Level Up Day on October 23 or 24, I don't remember, but yeah, it's been a month. And I think I'm the last person making a video on this, but in this video, I'm just going to discuss the SaaS stuff, the SaaS upgrades they've made. And yeah, when I started reading it, when I actually went through all the stuff, it actually blew my mind because you can see how big this article is. And this is not just about SaaS, guys. This is a lot more than SaaS. This is everything, really, all the upgrades they did, and it's totally worth it. I'll link this in the description, but this video is going to be about SaaS. I'm going to go into detail of all the upgrades they made, all the additions they made to the system. Before I begin, if you haven't started with SaaS already, this is my offer, really. So I'm just gonna be a sucker and just say it out loud. If you start a pro subscription with my link, I'm gonna do the SaaS setup for you. So it's gonna be basically a done for you setup. So that's all. Let's just get started with SaaS. Right now, they've added customizable email. So this was, I don't know why it wasn't a feature previously, but let's just forget about the past. Now they have it. They have customizable email. Now if you go to the SaaS dashboard and go to settings, you will be able to customize the welcome email that people receive when they sign up into your CRM for a SaaS subscription, right? The next thing is they have added up to 20 different SaaS plans. So this is huge, really. I don't know why they've added 20, but yeah, because people were actually complaining about having only 3 subscriptions and having minimal customizations into each of these subscription packages. Now you can have up to 20, although I don't think it's going to be worth having 20 SaaS plans because it's just going to confuse your audience. All you need to do is just have the regular amount, maybe 3, 4, 5, whatever, but it's good to know that you can do up to 20 now, right? Also, by default, whenever there was a SaaS sign up, people could add, like, there was no limit on user and contact creation. So the number of users, by default, it's going to be unlimited, but if you set a limit to it, you can totally do that. So that's also something that you can do, right? Also, they've finally launched WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is not actually a direct SaaS feature, but WhatsApp can be used for reselling. So you can resell WhatsApp. That's just a part of what you can resell now. And yeah, as you can see, WhatsApp has been officially launched by GoHighLevel. People were complaining and they were just wondering why it's taking so long, but finally it's here now. So you can already see what web and mobile app plus reselling is available. So that's also a cool feature. If you are thinking about having your SaaS, that's a pretty amazing feature, I would say, with your SaaS. QR code link available. Also, number validation and other features are available. You just can go through all these stuff to see what's new in WhatsApp, like what they're actually allowing you to do with WhatsApp and SaaS. The next thing I'm going to discuss is e-commerce. So e-commerce was never there actually for on GoHighLevel, right? So now e-commerce is available. Now you can set up entire stores into sub accounts and have actually all the e-commerce features, like as you can already see, set up an e-commerce store, streamline payments, ACH bank transfer payment on invoices. So lots of cool stuff on setting up stores, lots of cool stuff on payments, lots of cool stuff on having an optimized shop under a sub account. So that's also, I would say, a really cool selling point, I would say, because it actually strengthens your SaaS offer. So that's why I'm explaining this with this part here. Now, the last thing I want to discuss is the mobile changes. So we already know that GoHighLevel has a gray label mobile app and a white label mobile app. So the gray label is known as lead connector and the white label is whatever you want to call it based on your SaaS startup. So right now there's been a lot of changes, right? Like this is a new addition, warm and blind call transfers. Also, people were really complaining about why there's no sign in with Google option. Now in mobile there is actually a sign in with Google. Also, it's on desktop as well. So now you can actually sign in with Google. So people who are like having a hard time remembering passwords and stuff. Yeah, so this is actually the solution. Also, you can schedule SMS and emails, so that's also a very powerful feature, you know. And WhatsApp integration, we've actually gone through that. And also there's a new task manager, so these all can be really like incorporated in a really amazing way, a really good way with your SaaS offer. So I think if you go through the whole article here, you will find tons of more stuff like this that will actually give power to your SaaS offer. And yeah, that's all basically I wanted to discuss with you guys. I thought, yeah, this is actually worth talking about. And if you liked the video, just subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a good day.